Hi, Greg Buckley here. We just heard from the governor not too long ago referencing the situation here has increased, has gotten worse here in Delaware. So he has put everybody on a stay-at-home order. That being said, I want to reassure everybody and all of our friends, clients, and customers that Buckley's Auto Care will remain open, taking in appointments, working for emergencies, and whatever other services that we can provide for you as we are allowed to under the guidelines set by Governor Carney. If we can be of assistance to you, any of your organizations, or any type of repair, please give us a call at 302-999-8285. We're here to help in any way possible, whether it's auto repair or helping to deliver a meal or get any kind of supplies for anyone that may be shuttered during this period. We want to work with everybody in the small community because we know how important small businesses are for everything in and around Wilmington, Newcastle, Delaware, and of course the entire state. Give us a call, 302-999-8285. We know that the times are very different and very difficult. If there's anything we can do, give us a call. We want to be there to help you. A very different situation for everybody, and we're doing what we can, like other small businesses and other auto repair centers in and around the area. There's some great high-quality service shops from all points in Wilmington and around the state. Learn to work with them, call them as well in your local communities. But all of us are here to serve. All of us in the small business world want to be there for you. We know how important it is, and don't be afraid to lean on us to see what we can do to help you out. Other than that, we will be here at 7 a.m. sharp, Monday through Friday, to assist anyone with every type of automotive needs and services. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a great evening, and let's all work together to get through this. Thank you.